Contestant number 2 is Santiago Civetta Mastrota from Coffee Collective. And I now call the judges team. It's led by head judge Amir Montasser from the UK. Our sensory judges are Ali Yosefi from Belgium, Nikos Kanakaris from Greece, Sine Klais from Denmark, Mikhail Sovinski from Poland, and our technical judge is Matt North from the UK, and then we have Apostolos Sosoglou from Greece, based in Denmark. Welcome, judges.
Right, perfect. Can you all hear me? Judges, can you hear me? All right, are you guys ready? Time. Hello, judges. Today, I want us to focus on one word: collaboration. What if collaboration could mean more than just a transaction, and it could be a transformation of lives, futures, and farms? Last October, I had the pleasure to go to Bolivia, where I went to find the 2 beautiful coffees that I will present you today. But I also saw firsthand how collaboration can have a gigantic impact. Now let's get started. I will start by making 2 shots for your signature drink. The recipe for this will be 20 grams in to 38 out. Signature drink. But the menu today will start with espresso, followed by milk, and finally we're gonna finish with the signature drink. So for now, just give me a couple of seconds. Now judges, let's take the first step of this trip. You have some postcards in front of you that will help us navigate the traveling today. Please lift from the number 1 up so we can meet Mariana Iturralde. Mariana is the owner of Finca Taquesi, and you can see in that picture that her farm has been blessed with rich volcanic soils, and that it sits at an altitude of 2,200 meters above sea level. Now, I have been working with Mariana for the past 10 years, and her coffee, it's still a favorite of mine from her first harvest. That's why it is an honor for me to bring it to the stage. These 10 years of collaboration helped Mariana make Finca Taquesi to be an example for farms around the world. Her washing station is one of the cleanest in the world, and it sets an example for the rest of the farms in the world. Now judges, we're gonna taste today her washed geisha, and I'm gonna be serving you using a recipe of 20 grams in to 42 grams out. This recipe will help me showcase the full aromatic profile that this coffee has. Now, careful processing deserves careful preparation. That is why, after grinding, I'll be shaking these grounds. I found that shaking will help me extract more with less contact time, finally reducing the energy needed for brewing. Now, careful preparation also deserves consistency. That's why I'm going to be using a distribution tool to make sure that your shots are the same. finally, meticulous processing, meticulous preparation, and deserves meticulous brewing. That's why I will brew your shots directly onto frozen steel balls, as I have found that these will help me capture volatile aromas that will elevate your tactile experience by creating a juicy body. Now judges, you will take 2 sips of this coffee for me, please, today. In the first one, I want you to focus on the experience. You will find medium to high sweetness, medium to high acidity, and low to medium bitterness. The body will be light and juicy. Now for flavor notes, please write down peach, bergamot, and jasmine. The aftertaste will be sweet and short. Now judges, this is the representation of 10 years of collaboration, so I hope you enjoyed it. Please, you can leave the spoons in the darker glass in front of you. Now judges, let's make our second stop of the trip. I will ask you to please, when you're ready, pull from the number 2 in front of you. Judges, I want to introduce you to Andres Uluri. That picture, you can see that Andres has been blessed with the same warm, fresh soil, and his farm sits only 200 kilometers away from Mariana's. Now his coffee is also as world-class as hers. But unfortunately, despite all his dedication, he has only found short-term relationship with his buyers. That means that at 50 years old, he is the last coffee producer of the family. Now, I'm more than excited to share with you that through Mariana, I've met Andres, and this is his second harvest that I buy from him. It is an honor for me